Hello everyone, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW here in Charlestown. My name is Tomas. In our showroom today we have this beautiful BMW 530e plug-in hybrid with the Alpine white color, as well as 19-inch black M Sport Pro blue calipers, as well as the shadow line all around the car in this beautiful color combination, the iconic black kidney grills, as well as the black gloss trims all around the car, privacy windows, as well automatic open and close boot with plenty of space here as well as below to store all of our cables. The boot automatically closes as well on the door as well as on the key fob, as well as coming towards the passenger seats. We can see our full black leather seats with child security system, ISOFIX, M Sport Pro stitching, and two vents, a place to store your phone, a charge, as well as storage on the sides, and armrests and sunroof that comes towards the back seats as well. Towards the driver's side we can see our M Sport, the fully automatic seat regulation, black leather, as well as M Sport black leather steering wheel. Going to the steering wheel we can see our M Sport, as well as the button to hit our steering wheel, as well as cruise controls, MIDI controls and settings, as well as two adaptive pedal shifters. Towards the center we can see our digital cluster, and towards the middle we can control our media, navigation, as well as review camera, park assist and reversing assistant. Towards the center also we can see our fully automatic climate controls with heated seats on both sides, as well as place to charge your phone, cup holders, our fully automatic transmission, adaptive sport, hybrid and electric. Here you can control our media, navigation and menu. In storage we have plenty of space here, as well as on the sides of both doors. On the door we can see automatic open and close mirrors and automatic windows as well. This beautiful 5 Series is available for purchase across our various car selling websites, as well as the Joe Duffy BMW website. If you have any further questions, all of our BMW approved used cars come with a standard 2-year warranty. If you want to book a test drive or have any queries and questions, please feel free to contact us at Joe Duffy BMW in Charlestown. And have a good day. Thank you so much. And my name is Tomas.